Welcome back to the channel for another video on our 22 WRX. Today you can see we got the table set out and I got a couple big boxes right here. Really excited these parts finally came in. This is our ETS front mount kit for the 22 WRX. So I'm not sure which one is which one's the piping and which one's the intercooler. If I were to guess, I'd say the smaller box is the intercooler and this is the piping kit, but that's what we're going to find out today. We're going to be unboxing the intercooler kit so everyone can see what comes in the box. These literally just came in, so this is live action. Nothing's been opened, so we're going to open these together and see what's in the box. So first box that we're going to start with is the smaller one. So let's get to it. Alright, so this is going to be our intercooler kit. You can see that they did put one of the couplers on. I guess that's just to help us with which coupler goes where. So this looks like the coupler that goes onto the throttle body. I'll get some close-ups on this in just a minute, but this looks like this is the piece that goes to the throttle body. 2 bolts go right there. So let me set these out one by one and then we can talk about them. Alright, so I changed views a bit. I did check it, we looked like we were a little bit far back. So I got everything unboxed. I got all the couplers unwrapped. We didn't get this one unboxed yet, but this is the intercooler piping kit. So we have 4 pipes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a bunch of couplers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just based off the pictures, I know where this one's obviously gonna go. We're gonna figure out the way this routes and everything, but we won't know that until we start working on the car. We're gonna be doing that in the next video, so be sure to subscribe so you can check out more 22 WRX content. We've done a bunch of other mods on the car too, so definitely check out the channel and other videos that we have uploaded. But this intercooler kit definitely looks really high quality. I love this billet CNC piece that goes directly to the throttle body. So once we get the intercooler off, there should be a little gasket we can transfer over and this should slip and then bolt right on. This is our hardware kit. So this has some more T-bolt clamps. It looks like this is going to be our adapter for the turbo. Let me get this thing out. Oh, I need to cut it. This is our billet piece that connects the turbo to the intercooler. So you can see on this it has the provisions made to put that C-clip in. So this will clip onto the turbo and then one of these is going to slip on and then we're going to put one of the pipes on. I know the stock charge pipe is held onto the front timing cover by a bolt, and I'm pretty sure that one of these pipes, maybe this one, is going to bolt directly to the front timing cover and it'll be connected to the turbo like that, and then it'll go around to the intercooler and then we'll figure out how the rest routes. So I'm not sure which one of these. If I were to guess, I'm going to say this one probably connects to the turbo and goes over that frame rail on the passenger side by the airbox. But this is what we got unboxed so far. Let's get this last box opened up and see what our intercooler looks like. Alright, so we got our intercooler here. This is our 3.5-inch core. There is no stencil on this one. Was going to get the 4-inch one, but they didn't have one in stock at Import Image Racing was one reason. The other reason is with this stock turbo, I really don't think the 4-inch is necessary. 3-inch might be already overkill for the stock intercooler, but definitely want to keep those charge temp down, so I definitely wanted to go at least one size bigger than the standard 3-inch core. But I do want to comment of how nice everything is packaged. I mean, everything has blue painter's tape on it to protect, to make sure nothing goes inside of these. And then this nice cardboard protector on the front and back to make sure that nothing gets damaged. Dude, this thing is beefy. This thing is thick. This looks really nice. So this is the intercooler. This is the hardware kit that came with it. So this has our bracket. I believe will bolt right to the top. Probably something like that. And then this will probably bolt somewhere on the radiator support. And then let's check out these bad boys. So this is what actually, I think, mounts it to the car. So we have these two plates right here. I'm not gonna take them apart just yet, but here are the two plates. So I think they're gonna bolt here, and then those two are gonna bolt to the frame of the vehicle. So I wanted to take this side off just so we could take a peek inside, see what it looks like. Oh, get this set down. And let me get a picture for you guys, because the fin density and everything looks really nice. I mean, quality looks really good. So let me get you guys a close-up inside of there, get you guys a close-up on all these parts. All right, so here's what we're working with on this side of the table. So we got our pipes over here, our couplers and hardware kit. Here's our hardware kit for the front mount. And yeah, just looking at the inside, I mean, the fins look really nice. I think it's going to be a monster upgrade from the stock intercooler. So super excited for this to go on. So be sure to check out the next video. We're going to be installing this. For me, I'm going to be installing this right now. So this will probably take me a few hours to get on. For you guys, it'll be the next video. Before we end this video out, I definitely want to show you guys the front of the intercooler. Definitely want to see how good these fins look. But let me get you guys set up for just a sec and we'll get this cover taken off. So there we have it. There is the front mount intercooler exposed. This thing looks super nice. Very shiny. Can't wait to get this thing mounted on and see what it looks like. Only this bottom part is exposed, so I am still dabbling with the idea of maybe cutting the bottom part of the bumper that you can see over here. Cutting this bottom portion here just to get more airflow, and maybe it'll expose the front mount a little more, so it'll look a little bit better. But we'll get to that once we get everything installed and we'll see how it looks. So that's going to be in our next video. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more 2022 WRX content. Let's go.